Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna go to the grocery store and we're gonna buy some produce to make a salad. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! First we have to build our shopping cart. Let's do it. Stickers. All right, let's go shopping. Look, this is a tomato. A tomato is red. This is broccoli. Broccoli is green, and it's so healthy for you. This is corn. Corn is green on the outside and yellow on the inside. I love corn on the cob. This is a carrot. This is orange. Did you know carrots grow in the ground? Cool. This is a bell pepper. This bell pepper is yellow, but they can also be red or green. This is an eggplant. An eggplant is purple. This is butter lettuce. Butter lettuce is green, and it's great for salads. Time to make our salad. Start with some lettuce, some tomato, some eggplant, and some bell pepper. Ta-da! Thank you so much for going to the grocery store with me and for joining me in Moony's kitchen. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.